Hi, this is Lara from Forex Info USA with your Euro-US dollar Elliot wave analysis for Wednesday the 23rd of December for the end of the trading day of Tuesday the 22nd. The alternate count that I presented in the last post is now much more likely, as with continued downwards movement, if this is wave 1 and this is 2 and this is 3, they should have some kind of Fibonacci ratio to each other. And now this is so long that it has no relevance to this. So I'm going to go with the alternate count. Let's have a look and see what we've got. Okay, so this is the main count. I've got another alternate for you coming up. Within this main count now I've moved this 5 from here to here. This is not a price high, but it is going to now be an orthodox top, which sees all of this previous movement nicely contained within a trend channel, culminating in this point. So this recent downwards movement also has a nice clear trend channel. We've got 1, 2, 3, triangle for 4, ending 5 for wave 1 down. And then we've got 2 up, a nice long triangle, touching the top of the trend channel. Thereafter we've got 1, 2, followed by an extended 3, up for 4, down for 5. So we've just had the end of wave 3. We're going to come up for 4, which will take us to, depending on when it gets there, and this is hard to predict, but whenever it gets there, it'll probably be around about 1.43, say. I've got an alternate for you here. Okay, the alternate count's slightly different, still sees the end of the previous upward movement here, and still sees this as wave 1 blue down. Within that we've got 1, 2, extended 3, 4, 5 for wave 1 down at the green level, up for 2, and so far 1, 2, 3. I like this less because it's got, within this extended 3, it's got both waves 2 and 4 as triangles, and they usually tend to be of different forms. I also like this less because it's got this movement here as a wave 1, and the main count has it as wave 3 within 3 within 1. Which is much more likely. I also like it less because this lower fractal level is touching the upper trend line, whereas in the main count this is the end of wave 2 at a higher fractal level. That seems more likely. Anyway, this is still possible. It does meet all of Elliot's rules, and it does see further movement possible on the downward side. Okay, so I've got the main count also here shown on a daily chart, just to give you a better overview of this movement. 1, 2, 3 just finished, going to come up for 4. So keep an eye on this upper trend channel, and it doesn't necessarily have to get up there, but that's its highest point that it could reach. Okay, so I've got a couple of targets for the end of this full downwards movement. Let's go back to this one. So if wave 1 and wave 5 are going to tend towards equality, we can expect a downwards target of 1.382. Actually, let's look at that on this one. Yeah, if this wave 1 and the following wave 5 that we've yet to see, if they're going to be equal, we'll expect a downwards target of 1.382. If, however, when we get up for wave 4, if the tip of wave 4 divides this whole downwards movement into a golden section, with this portion being 0.618 and the portion yet to come being 0.382, then we can expect a downwards target of 1.377. If you want to see my wave counts in detail and the analysis and breakdown and calculations in detail, that's all on the blog. Okay, move this back up. Okay, so thank you very much for all of you who have done our quick exit poll. It's driving me mad. I'd like to get rid of that as soon as possible. So if you haven't already done that, please do that. It's giving me some very valuable information. It looks like Forex Info will be changing to a paid subscription service, and the prices are going to be extremely reasonable. And that should be happening very soon in the new year. Just depends on how long it takes me to manage the site changeover. So thank you very much for watching the YouTube videos, and thank you very much. That's all from us at Forex Info USA today. May all your trades be profitable, and have a very Merry Christmas.